Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a nice and good weekend. So markets are kind of rejecting higher levels, right? Let me tell you, there is a very strong call build up in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Neither Nifty is going to cross 18,000 or Bank Nifty is going to touch 42,000. Why am I saying that? Is because you will see in the later part of this videos, there is so much of, it is like 10x of call rating is being returned in Bank Nifty. So something is wrong, something that we don't know is happening around, and FIIs are still having short position. And in fact today both FIIs and DIIs are net buyers. Maybe this is a trap in making. So on the downside, either it has to break 17,300 levels, I am talking about Nifty, and Bank Nifty it has to break 39,750 levels. I am talking, this is about Bank Nifty. So both these levels are budget day low. Either they have to go, if they have to move on the downside, they have to close below these levels. Now what is happening in the US is there was a speech about interest rate hike, and it is going to be 25 basis point or something like that, and that has gone out. Now that is faded, already faded. Now there needs to be a good news, or there needs to be a positive news for the markets to go on the upper side, which we don't have. So tomorrow is going to be a holiday, local holiday because of Holi, and we might see downside trajectory on the going side. We have seen some proof. In fact, today morning I showed everything in our Telegram group. This is not our Telegram group. This is Sensible. I'll just give me 1 minute. Sensible is giving free pro plan for users of Zerodha, 5 Paisa, IAFL, Angel One, and Upstock. Upstock. So if you are users of this, you can use this pro plan, which is costing 800 rupees, free of cost for 1 month. No debit card, no credit card information asked. Link is on the description below. So this is our Telegram group. We were telling everything today morning that there might be a rejection, and the rejection worked out to be in our favor. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Now, why are we saying that markets might not go on the upper side? Of course, there's a disclaimer. I can go wrong, and I have a right to go wrong. I have gone wrong many times, okay? But that is not the problem. End of the day, are we in profit or are we in loss? That is the main problem. Now, if you see the chart, let me go to the charts first. For that, let me go to the chart first. This is the Bank Nifty chart. So what is happening in terms of Bank Nifty is that, now today morning I told in our Telegram group that this 41,300 to around 41,500 is a very, very good resistance. Why we are saying it is a good resistance? Because historically, if you see, on 16th of September there was a rejection, then 31st of October there was a rejection, after which Bank Nifty crossed above 41,500. It went all the way till 44,500. Then on 26th of December, Bank Nifty came to 41,500. This time it was a rejection. It rejected. Then again it went back to 43,300, 400, 500 levels. Then again on 25th of Jan there was a rejection. This was a support area. So 41,000 was a support area. What the thing happened on next day is 25th of January, market Bank Nifty exactly closed at 41,647 levels. Next day it opened at 41,382. That means a 300 points gap down has happened on the next day. Since then it has been acting as a resistance, and you can see even on 16th of February it tried to move above 41,650 levels. It couldn't. Then it retraced back to 39,700. That's why in the starting of the video I told Bank Nifty either has to cross below 39,750 levels, or it has to move above 42,000. Now if you see today's candle, this is kind of dodgy or shooting star whatsoever. So dodgy and shooting star is a trend reversal. That's what I have learned. If I am wrong, let me know on the comment section below, right? Anyway, we need a confirmation for this candle too, whether it is dodgy or whether it is a shooting star. we need confirmation. Next candle we have to see whether it is red or green, whether it is closing below today's low is how much. Today's low is 41,259. Whether it is opening and closing below 41,259, that's a whole different ball game, or we'll have to wait for US market and we'll have to see how the US market opens. US markets are really flat as I talk to you. We'll talk about that. And this is in terms of Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Nifty, if you can see, the same thing happened on 20th of September. This level, the level which is 17,750 was acting as a support, then resistance. Then it came down all the way to 16,800. Then again 17,800 acted as a good resistance on 28th of October. Next day there was a gap up of around more than 150 points. Since then it has been acting as a support. 26th of December it acted as a support. Then on 12th of January it acted as a support. Then since then we have been seeing market, this level is not been able to breach. In fact, on 15th of February it went past 18,000 but couldn't go above 18,000. Bulls were not able to go beyond 18,000, and we saw what happened. We saw 17,250 levels. Again at this levels, 17,700, 17,800. We are seeing dodgy or shooting star pattern both in Bank Nifty and Nifty. So that's why I am saying this 17,800 levels in Nifty and this 41,500 levels in Bank Nifty could act as a good resistance. And this the trend is wholly dependent on how the US market is going to span out tomorrow. Whether we are going to US market is going to end in the green. It rallied around 300 plus points on Friday, I think. So if it continues this way, we might gap up above 41,300 or 41,500 levels in terms of Bank Nifty. Then we may sustain this 41,350 levels may sustain as a support. And if Bank Nifty gap ups, we may sustain this 17,700 or 17,800 level as a support, and we may inch up towards 18,000. If this is not happening, then Bank Nifty and Nifty will drift towards 17,000 levels. I think 17,000 levels, and Bank Nifty might drift towards 40,000 level, which again is a good support. This is in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty chart. So I'm not saying it is going to go up or it's going to come down. I'm not saying it is what is going to be the direction. I'm just telling my perspective about the market, what might happen. Now, not only this, FIA figures also we will see. What is very unique about today's price action is that there is huge number of call rating. Super huge number of call rating is being happening in Bank Nifty. That is the thing which is bringing us something suspicious is happening, right? Let me go to Bank Nifty open interest chart. So this is the open interest chart, and look at the way these people have returned call option from 41,000 till around 42,000. They have returned so much of call option in Bank Nifty, and literally there were no put writing at all. See, there were no put writing. There is no put writing at all. So something that we don't know is known by someone else, and they are smart money. Maybe smart money is writing huge number of call options in Bank Nifty, and if you see the PCR, it's almost 1, and total number of calls alone today is around 13.9 million. That is 13 crore calls have been written, and only 3 crore, not even 3 crore, 1.3 crore calls have been written. Just 37 lakh puts have been written. So look at the way these people are writing call. From 41,000 to 42,000 is having the highest open interest. Till 43,000 they are writing call option. And you know what the beauty is? There is literally price, this VIX is very, very low, 42,000 and all. There is no open premium at all, maybe 10 rupees or less than 10 rupees. Still they are writing so much of call option. This is in terms of Bank Nifty. And when it comes to Nifty also, I can say there is significant calls being written. Today they have written around 17,800 calls. At the same time, this 17,700 put also they have written. Now this 17,700 put, whether they have bought or they have sold, we really don't know. Maybe they are super bearish, and only on 17,700 they have written put option. Might not written, they have bought put option. So this might bring some suspicion to us that they are buying, put buyers are active in the market. That we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. And this is US futures. US futures are all down. Even not only US futures, Europe was also down. So as I told you, everything is bearish, showing bearish sign. So we might go on the downside today. It all depends on how US markets close today and how US futures are opening tomorrow morning. So tomorrow is a Holi. Wish you all a happy Holi. I hope you enjoy with your family. So that's it for today. And we'll see the not open interest, FII data also. FIIs have bought for around 721 crores and DIIs have bought for around 757 crores. So that's about the market. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.